What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I want to run you through a beginner's guide and tutorial for PrimeXBT. So in the last few weeks and months they have had many updates to the user interface, how you can go ahead and trade on PrimeXBT, and some other things as well. I want to update you about that and also show you how PrimeXBT can be one of the best exchanges out there this bull market to make a lot of profit. So if you're a beginner, if you're new to crypto, or you're just looking for a different exchange to trade on, PrimeXBT definitely has that for you. So sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. Alright guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for joining me once again. As always, I want to say a massive thank you to each and every one of you returning to the channel. I really do mean that and I appreciate your support. So in today's video guys, we are going to be taking a look at PrimeXBT. If you don't already know what PrimeXBT is, well, I've been making videos about them for the past 3 to 4 years already. We can see over on the channel there is different exchange tutorial reviews. This was a long time ago though. We got another tutorial there. We've got a way to make $300 per day trading with them, and also we've got a copy pro traders tutorial. So if you don't know, PrimeXBT has one of the best copy trading platforms out there as well. Now they've updated their trading platform and I want to bring that to you in today's video. So first of all, if you don't already know what PrimeXBT has, you can pretty much trade all the different cryptos on there and also trade global markets as well. And that's one of the things I like about PrimeXBT. A lot of other exchanges in crypto are solely focused on crypto, whereas PrimeXBT is giving you crypto and also traditional and global markets as well. So it makes it a little bit more exciting, because if you are more of a professional trader, probably you don't only trade crypto. So let's go ahead and take a look at the platform. Before we do go ahead and take a look at this platform though guys, if you do want to join PrimeXBT, there will be a link down below with a very special bonus specifically for you watching this video right now. So all you have to do is go ahead, click the link down below, your name, your email, get yourself an account up and ready. And I tell you this all the time, make sure you have many exchanges including PrimeXBT registered and signed up for. When the bull market comes, the prices move very quick. So if you're able to get onto an exchange, trade very quickly and take advantage of these different moving markets, you can make a lot of money. So I really recommend going ahead and joining PrimeXBT down below. So this is the basic dashboard back end right here, and this is the main homepage. We can see right here we have the wallets with the different amounts in. I have around $2,500 in PrimeXBT. We have down here crypto futures as well, and copy trading, different portions right there, which I will touch on a little bit later in today's video. Also, if you did want to go ahead and buy crypto, they have a very nice tab up here. You can buy crypto, select the crypto that you want to buy, and then choose the currency. They have Russian ruble, Swiss franc, everything like that you want to, and you can go ahead and buy it with Coinify right there integrated, and it's very simple. So first of all, to get started on PrimeXBT, once you've made your account, you just have to make a deposit, and it literally couldn't be easier. On the main page right here, just go ahead and click deposit right there, and then all you have to do is click deposit once again. We can see previously back in 2020 I deposited 1 Bitcoin onto the exchange. We just go ahead and click deposit right there, crypto or cash, select what you want to deposit, and it's literally as simple as that. Then you are ready to trade. Now on PrimeXBT they have a very exciting new crypto futures section. So we can see here crypto futures. I'm going to be showing you the USDT crypto futures right here, and this is what it pulls up. So this is the basic trading interface right here, which they have upgraded, and I'll talk to you about that in just a second. So first of all, over here you just go ahead and select your crypto which you want to trade, or whatever you want to trade. Right here you can see they have many different ones to choose from. We've got all the information above here, the 24-hour high, the low, the volume, all that good stuff, and the volume on PrimeXBT is more than enough to trade what you want to. There's not going to be any problems with that. Down here we have the TradingView integration, so if you're familiar with TradingView, this should be an absolute breeze for you to trade on. Down here we have all the trading information, and over here is where we start to see some of the new UI updates. So the first one, which is very apparent, we can see the order book right here. This has had a big refresh right here, and we can go ahead and click on this section right here. If you want to see only the buys and the sells, you can go ahead and do that, or you can see both on the same section. The trades down here, you can maximize that, minimize that, whatever you wanted to do. Over here is where we have the update to the trading section. So we can see I have $421 margin. Here is where they have updated the system. We can see right here, we can go on market, limit, or stop, and we can click on this little pencil right there, and we can actually go ahead and use either cross up to 200x leverage, or isolated right there. Now this little slider here is a massive update to the UI, and I think it makes trading on PrimeXBT much easier, and I can assure you I'm going to be taking advantage of that for sure. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to select 5x leverage like so. Go ahead and set it, and we can see we've easily selected 5x leverage. Now the way that you trade on PrimeXBT is a little bit different. So right here we are settling this in BTC, so we can see down here the order value right there. I'm going to just put 0.01 BTC, and if we did want to go ahead and enter a trade right here, we can go ahead and click a buy order. So if I was to enter this buy order like so, we can see all the information about this, the margin type isolated, the free margin right there, the margin impact, we can see the fees down there, and if you want to do one-click trading you can, but personally I don't like doing this because it can enter a trade a lot more promptly and maybe you misclick it, so I just prefer not to have one-click trading. But if you are a professional trader, of course that option is there for you. Click place buy order like so, and we can see this has in fact entered a market buy order on PrimeXBT. So if you did want a great trading strategy, all you have to do is go over to my YouTube channel right here, click this search icon right there and type PrimeXBT. You're going to have multiple different ways which you can make money trading on PrimeXBT. First of all, we got 2 more in-depth tutorials if you want to learn more about it. We have how you can make money with copying pro traders over here. We can see 2,500% profit, and I actually invested $20,000 on this video, so if you did want to learn more about that, it would be a great opportunity for it. And up here at the top, most recently, less than a year ago, we have a PrimeXBT $300 per day trading guide. This was actually filmed in Bali, Indonesia, so there's a very nice intro. I do recommend going to check that out. But overall, there's great tutorials right there if you wanted to learn more about trading on PrimeXBT. So right now we can see the trade is entered down here. We have all the different amounts. We have the liquidation price at 31,000. To be honest, if the liquidation price, if we go over to the 4-hourly chart like that, and we see the liquidation price below kind of $33,000 level, that could be a great entry price. And we can see this liquidation price is at below 32,000. So in my opinion, this could be a good long-term trade if we don't see crazy different dumps like Bitcoin had right there. So if you wanted to go ahead and close this trade, you can just go ahead and click market close like so. It'll give you all the information there. You just simply click close position and it is done like so. It's extremely easy to trade with the new PrimeXBT UI interface with an upgraded order book and upgraded margin system right there. It's a lot easier to use, and I'm going to see myself trading on it a lot more. So let's go ahead and take a look at the copy trading, but before we do, we have the contest section right there. So this is actually a very unique feature to PrimeXBT because a lot of exchanges are only having different trading competitions throughout certain periods of the year, but PrimeXBT is actually having them on a regular basis, whether it's a crypto futures weekly contest or a global markets weekly contest. There's always contests and prizes up for grabs on PrimeXBT. Let's take a look at copy trading first of all, and we can see straight away it absolutely grabs my attention right here. The Cinnamon trader who is verified right there. We can see a total profit of over 868%. So you can click on this right here and see all the information about it. And if you wanted to trade but you didn't want the hassle of entering, exiting, having the stress about managing the trade, that's where PrimeXBT copy trading comes into play. And especially in these bullish markets, it's not difficult to make money when the Bitcoin price is going up. So these traders over here, they are going to be making a lot of money, and if you go ahead and follow them, well, you can potentially as well. So I really recommend checking out the copy trading section of PrimeXBT. That's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Again, I hope you've really enjoyed it, and I hope you can sign up and make the most of PrimeXBT during this bull market. All the links will be down below. If you wanted to get that special bonus, you can go ahead and use the code down below and go ahead and join PrimeXBT right now. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.